Hello, I just installed my Warn Winch in my F-350 yesterday, and I just finished wiring it. So the electrical wiring connects to here, goes to the driver's side battery, which I'll show you how I did the wiring here. The actual install says to go to the passenger battery, but I put an extra solenoid so that way I can turn off my power from the winch with one of my Upfitter switches. And so the wires come up here, and then here is the solenoid right here. And then so you have the power. This outside one is the accessory. So this is the hot line to the winch that goes down this way and wraps down here. You have this ground wire or neutral rod that goes, and I have it connected to the negative battery. And then this piece here is the negative for the winch. It just wraps around here because the cord's long, and then it goes back down here. And then this little jumper wire, I had to cut this piece, is the hot that goes to on this side of the solenoid. See if you can see it better. And then this yellow wire is what connects to my Upfitter switches. So I have it run, you can see it all the way across. And I wrapped it in heat sheathing, so it looks more factory to me, I think. And then it connects, I just have some extra here, and then it connects. I soldered my connection, and it connects right under here is where the Upfitter switch is. And it connects on my Upfitter switch, and that's it.